Hello guys, how are you? Good morning. My name is Mommy Young and welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, share, like and comment down below. And today we are going to do a cleaning motivation with me. I'll be cleaning my whole house, so be with me. Stay tuned and enjoy as I do my cleaning. Thank you. My kitchen is clean now. At least I've done something that can be seen. Don't mind the different colors of my tiles in the house. And to my sitting room. It is usually not very dirty, because I usually try to keep the sitting room organized, because my child usually plays with the cushions, the pillows that are on the chair. So I try to keep the house neat. This is where my child plays. The place is full of toys. Sometimes I make her collect, but this time I thought it was good so that we will not argue with her. Sorry about the lighting. The sun was too bright. Couldn't control it. The house was clean and organized. Unfortunately, my baby had to do this again, but she's still a baby. I can't control her all the time. At least I must give her space. This is my hallway which leads to my bedrooms. Don't mind the shades of the tiles. This is how people survive in Nairobi. There's nothing we can do. Onto my bedroom. I'm so happy about this room because right now I can be able to wash all corners of this room. This hallway is where I keep my washing machine. Please, as we end the vlog, please subscribe, like and share and comment down below. At least it gives me the strength to continue. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.